Cotton. Imported. Perfect dishcloths to tackle any job. Made in India. Dishcloths measures 12 by 12 to tackle all of your drying, wiping and cleaning kitchen tasks. Easy care. Tightly woven 100% cotton, wash with cold water on gentle cycle, tumble dry low and low iron if needed. Wash separately on first use to minimize lint. Absorbent and low lint. These towels are lightweight, absorbent, and dry quickly with a corner loop for hanging. Great gift choice. Classic assorted designs with multiple color options to match with your kitchen decor. Perfect to give as Mother's Day, housewarming, and hostess gifts. More from DII. DII offers delightful kitchen linens including dishtowels, aprons, potholders, and oven mitts. Simply click the DII link at the top of the page to explore our other collections. Top reviews from the United States. Best dishcloths I have purchased in a while. When I first got these dishcloths I was a little skeptical. Bekassu, they are thinner than I expected but a tighter weave than the other ones I had. I washed them first because other reviews I read said they were not very absorbent. Washing them first is the answer. Whatever kind of starchy substance they have on them will wash right out. They are absorbent, they dry quickly and they hardly shrunk at all compared to other brands that I have. These are my new favorites and I am going to buy some more to make sure I have them in the future. I recommend them.